can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency market. All coins are starting to show huge signs of life on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, some altcoins on a monthly time frame. We look at general cryptocurrency market. Ethereum got to as high as $2,300. Bitcoin crossed the $75,000 level, and Bitcoin dominance sits at 59%. What's next in the altcoin market? What are new stories going on in the market? How bullish are market participants? What's sentiment like? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 7 days has seen all coins pumping aggressively to the upside. Zcash is up 20%, Render is up 29%, Tau is up 41%. We have River and Siri up over 50%. A lot of market participants are very bearish right now, so it's a very good surprise to see these altcoins pumping. And I believe we're just at the start of something great. On the daily time frame, we're seeing WG gains across the board in the altcoin market. The bears are getting liquidated. The last 24 hours has seen a lot of bears getting liquidated. Total liquidation, according to CoinGlass, is around $498 million, with more than 128,000 traders getting liquidated. Majority of them have been short. Majority of market participants still believe that this is just a relief rally. They believe this is just a fake out before we continue our dump to Goblin Town. And that can be a dangerous place to be, because the more they short the market, the more they give us fuel to pump to higher prices. You don't want to be on the other side of an aggressive bear market pumps. We might be in a bear market, but historically those bear market pumps can really go aggressively to the upside. Q1 of 2026, Bitcoin is still down 15%. Q1 of 2026, Ethereum is down 22%. But then, if you go on a monthly time frame, Bitcoin in the month of March has gone up by 10%. Ethereum in the month of March has gone up by 17%. Currently having a nice month, currently having a nice week, currently having a nice day. Let's head to the charts. Ethereum currently trades around $2,300. It even got to as high as $2,376. Remember, Ethereum was chilling around the $1,800 level for over 5 weeks. But happily, we've crossed the $2,000 level. Right now, we're working our way to higher prices. The next key level for Ethereum is going to be around that $3,300 level. We could easily pump higher. We could easily pump very high to that $3,300 over the next 1 week. But remember, guys, the grind to higher prices will be slow. We'll face some difficulties along the way, and for Ethereum to give us that kind of big move to the upside, that will see Ethereum pumping by around 46% to the upside. You never want to say never with the altcoin market. Right now, as the pump has arrived, the altcoin market is already outperforming Bitcoin. If you look at Ethereum's performance against Bitcoin, you can see Ethereum over the last few weeks has gained ground against Bitcoin from the $0.028 level. Ethereum right now is up a whopping 11% against Bitcoin. I still expect Ethereum to continue outperforming Bitcoin. I believe right now there's some fatigue with market participants holding Bitcoin. The main attraction is going to be the altcoin market. A lot of altcoins have been dumping crazily over the last 6 months. So 800% pump to the upside will not be far-fetched. A lot of these altcoins are so down bad that even if they go up 200%, even if they go up 300%, they will still be down more than 90% from their all-time highs. And historically, bear market rallies are very violent. They are very crazy. So even if we're in a bear market, you don't want to be in the other side of that rally. That rally could easily catch you off guard. And with the start of the bull market, we'll be expecting higher prices. If you look at total cryptocurrency market cap, we got back to the $2.5 trillion level. We saw the total crypto market cap get to as low as around $2 trillion in the 2nd of February 2026. That looks like the date that a lot of market participants capsulated, thinking we're going towards zero. But right now, the reversal is in play. Right now, we have seen a 21% increase in the last 41 days for the total cryptocurrency market cap. And the next key level for the total crypto market cap will come in around the $3.27 trillion level. We got there way back in January of 2026. We got rejected there. I'll not be shocked to see us consolidate at that key level. For us to get there, the general market will have to rally up by around 28%, which can happen very quickly. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is one of the most volatile markets in the world. Crazy moves can happen in 24 hours. More crazier moves can happen in 1 week. And even epic moves can happen in a month. I'll not be shocked In a month's time, we're hitting all-time highs. I'll not be shocked if in 2 months' time we're talking about how the general cryptocurrency market is back in a bull market. If you look at Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin's market cap sits at $4.8 trillion. I highly suspect Bitcoin will have difficulties getting to new all-time highs. I believe that right now, Bitcoin might just be in a retracement rally while the altcoin market might be going crazy. And if that's what's playing out, guys, you expect Bitcoin to have some difficulties along the way. One of those key levels where Bitcoin might have a chill pill is going to come around the $1.95 trillion level or around the $2.2 trillion region. This will see Bitcoin pump from where we are currently trading to as high as 42% from where Bitcoin is currently trading right now. We'll see Bitcoin trading above $100,000. Before we go to that $100,000 level, that $97,000 level might also prove to be very, very pivotal. But I believe when Bitcoin gets to around $100,000 to $107,000, that's where smart players will be letting go of their stash. That's where we'll see a lot of whales letting go of their Bitcoin. And you see Bitcoin dominance dumping. That's been my theory for the last few months. I believe Bitcoin dominance already in the early stage of a decline. That decline started way back in June of 2025. And by the end of the decline, it's going to be obvious that Bitcoin dominance has been dumping. I expect a situation where Bitcoin dominance will have a huge decline towards the 50% region. To catch a lot of market participants off guard, it will send the altcoin market flying to the moon with altcoins pumping front, left, and center. And that's why I'm positioning heavily in the altcoin market, expecting altcoins to have greater returns than Bitcoin over the next few days and the next few weeks. If you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market right now, we're seeing sentiment improve. We saw the cryptocurrency market stuck in extreme fear for almost 3 months. But right now, slowly but surely, fear has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. And hopefully, we'll see neutral sentiment, we'll see greed, and we'll see extreme greed at some point in time in the future. But right now, with Bitcoin hitting $75,000 over the last 24 hours, with a lot of altcoins giving us double-digit gains over the last 24 hours, it's no shock to see optimism slowly returning back to the cryptocurrency market. We saw some brief periods of optimism earlier in the year in January of 2026 where Bitcoin rallied to higher prices. We saw the sentiment in the cryptocurrency market hit greed on the 15th of January. Since then, we headed back to Goblin Town, dumping aggressively down, finding support. We saw Bitcoin then in January getting to as high as $96,000. That $100,000 level was just around the corner. Bitcoin hit the $100,000 level. We saw Bitcoin coming down to as low as around $60,000 to find some support. And that important sector to watch out for, guys, is going to be the meme coin market. That's one important sector I've been paying attention to over the last few months. The general meme coin market sits around $31.86 billion. I believe the meme coin market is going to be where millionaires are going to be made over the next few weeks and the next few months. Over the last 7 days, we have seen huge gains in the meme coin market. A lot of memes in the top 10 are having double-digit gain, from Floki to XP6900 to Poco Green to official Donald Trump coin to Pepe to meme coin, and even Dogecoin and Shiba Inu also pumped by 9% over the last 7 days. Expect to see disbelief in the market. Expect to see a lot of FOMO as we go to higher prices. The way this relief rally works, or the way the start of the bull market works, is that a lot of people are still in disbelief. They are still in their bearish state of mind. They are still expecting lower prices. So the higher we go, the more you see them foaming back to the market. The higher you go, the more you see them trying to get those gains that they have missed. So expect riskier behavior as we pump higher. Expect to see crazy disbelief. Crazy. This time is different. The market is manipulated. You just be hearing different talks. But the number one thing you're supposed to remember is that we're playing a game in the market. That game is to buy as low as possible, to sell as high as possible. The game is to buy when there's fear in the market and to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's still fear in the market. Right now, we're slowly seeing optimism return back to the market. So I'll not be shocked if in the coming days and the coming weeks, we see more greedy behaviors from market participants. New stories going around the cryptocurrency market, guys. Masari new CEO is doubling down on AI as firm cut staff. US Bitcoin ETF posts 6-day inflow streak as crypto rallies. SEC 6 comment on crypto handling in OTC broker deals rules. Donald Trump ups the pressure for chairman to cut rates. They have been on that battle for quite a while right now. Will he cut rates? Will he reduce the rate? Or is he going to leave the rate unchanged? Bitmain speeds pace of Ethereum buying, boost treasuries to 4.6 million Ethereum. We see MicroStrategy also adding to their Bitcoin stash. MicroStrategy added over $1.6 billion in Bitcoin as their holdings surpass 761,000 Bitcoin. Crypto funds has $1 billion as 3 weeks inflow continues. Metaplanet raises $255 million and add warrant structure for Bitcoin buys. South Korea finds Bitcoin $24 million and orders 6 months partial business suspension. Now, three indicators that Ethereum might hit $2,800 next, and we are seeing Bitcoin maybe just maybe head above $75,000. Maybe just maybe that big squeeze is coming. I'll not be shocked to see us head towards $100,000. Prediction market booms on Iran bets as Congress, I-bans, and UK, US, Canada launch joint operation to disrupt crypto fraud. But right now, Bitcoin trades around $74,000, Ethereum trades around $2,300, Solana trades around $93. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Which altcoins are you buying? How high do you think the altcoin market will go? Do you believe in altcoin season? Do you believe in meme coin season? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.